All right. So there's this question from JAM 2002, question 32, where we are asked if n is equal to bracket open 3, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2, 1, bracket closed. Find the determinant of n. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Next, in finding our determinant of the matrix n, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, we first of all copy out what we've been given. We've been given 3, 5, minus 4, 6, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, 2, 1. Next, we do a recopy of our first two columns. We copy out our first two columns. So we copy out 3, 6, minus 2. We have 5, minus 3, 2. Now, what we do next is draw a diagonal line cutting from row 3 value from row 3 column 1 where we have minus 2 to column 3 or column 3 row 1 column 3 where we have minus 4. So we draw a diagonal line from minus 2 here all the way to minus 4. Narrow. Next, we draw a diagonal line starting from row 3 column 2 to row 1 column 4. So draw a line from 2 to 3. Now we draw another diagonal line from row 3 column 3 to row 1 column 5 where we have 5. So draw diagonal line. All right. Now we move back and we draw a diagonal line starting from row 1 column 1 where we have 3 to row 3 column 3 where we have 1. So draw a diagonal line from here down. All right. Next, we draw another diagonal line from row 1 column 2 to row 3 column 4 where we have minus 2. So from 5 here down, draw a diagonal line down to minus 2. And lastly, we draw a diagonal line from minus 4, which is located at row 1 column 3 to 2, which is located at row 3 column 5. All right, from minus 4 to 2. All right, having done this, we proceed to multiply the values that fall within each line. So from our first line, we have minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. We multiply what we have, and we have we end up having minus 2 times minus 3. That gives us 6 times minus 4. We have minus 24. Next, we multiply 2 times minus 5 times 3, and we have minus 30. Lastly, from top side, we have 1. Let's draw 1 properly. All right, we have 1 times 6 times 5. This gives us 30. All right, we move to the bottom side of our of what we're solving. So we have 3 times minus 3 times 1. This gives us minus 9. Next, we have 5 times minus 5 times minus 2. This gives us 50. And lastly, we have minus 4 times 6 times 2. This gives us minus 48. Now, having come this far, we proceed next to sum up the value at our top. Then we also sum up the value at our bottom separately. So sum sum of top values. This gives us minus 24 plus bracket open minus 30 bracket close plus 30. This itself will end up giving us minus 24. Now at our bottom we have sum of down or bottom values. We have minus 9 plus 50 plus bracket minus 48 bracket close. Sum this up, this will end up giving us minus 7. Now lastly, what we're going to do is that we'll subtract what we have from top from what we have from the bottom. That is, we subtract minus 7 by minus 7 minus bracket open 24. Now this is equal to minus 7 minus bracket open minus 24 end up giving us plus 24. Now we have minus 7 plus 24 ends up giving us 17, which is our determinant for this matrix. Thank you.